Hi everyone, it's Lynnea here for LDRS Creative, and it is release day. So there's a brand new release that just hit the LDRS Creative store, and it's full of so many wonderful fall, Halloween, and Christmas themed stamps, dies, stencils, papers, everything you could ever wish for is there. I'm going to use just two products from this release, the Damask Stencil and the Christmas Wishes word dies, and just create a really simple, easy to mass produce card. I'm using navy and white for my color scheme, but remember you can switch this up. This would be really pretty in red or green, or even if you wanted to do the stenciling on a gold cardstock, that would be really pretty. So I have that navy piece of cardstock that's cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4, so just a slightly smaller than an A2 card base. And I'm going to use that Damask stencil. I sprayed the back with some pixie spray, and I'm going to apply some iridescent glitter gel over the top. This actually has some chunky flakes of iridescent glitter. This is something that's new to me, and I love this chunky glitter gel. I think it's really pretty. So I just easily kind of put that right over my background, and you can see some of those chunks there. I'm going to set that aside to dry, and while that's drying, I'm going to cut my sentiment. The Christmas Wishes dies is a 2-die set, and it has the actual Christmas Wishes sentiment, and then there's also the shadow die. I love when there are shadow dies because it's such an easy way to add instant dimension. So I went ahead, cut that Christmas Wishes from the same color navy blue cardstock that I did my background with, and then I cut the shadow from white so it would really pop off that background. I have a clear glitter pen. This one's from Spectrum Noir, but there are lots of them on the market, and I just added some shimmer to that sentiment. Here you can see my background all dry. I use that Damask stencil, and because it's iridescent on a dark background, it's very subtle. And in fact, from far away, I think it looks like snowflakes, especially with those chunky glitter pieces. But when you tilt it, you can see all of that pretty pattern in the background. That's it. This card is finished. Easy to mass produce. You can customize your color scheme to be whatever you want. Remember that these products are brand new. They just released a couple hours ago. I will have them linked in my video description so you can have some easy shopping. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.